Okay, well, we're back with the Famaro, the part Firebird, part Camaro. And, well, like say, you see, I got the roof pretty much done. I just got a primer and work it down some for paint. Not much up here. I just took everything apart, get ready to change everything. We're going to go back to chrome instead of the painted stuff. And around here on the sides, you know, just body work. Working on, they actually had the locks welded over, so I got them, got to work on getting them where they fit. And in order to get the top fit right, I noticed before I even put it on, the body was sagging in the back and it had gaps in the doors up here. They were fine at the bottom. When you get up here, like about an inch apart there. So it had a big gap on both sides. So that was telling me when he cut the top off, it just dropped down the back. Now it's got a roll bar in it, and so I tried to jack it up to see if I can close up the gap, but it wouldn't close, so I knew then he probably welded the roll bar in after he cut the top maybe. And so I had to cut the roll bar loose, then jack the body up, got my gaps where they should be, then welded the top on, and then welded the roll bar back in. So, and then now as you can see, it's on its own and it's standing good. So all that's good. The back end here, of course, it had a little damage. I fixed that. But the big wing spoiler he built was, it was a lot of bare metal underneath that he just skimmed some Bondo on it. And, well, they didn't work too good because the moisture got in there. So I had to grind all that off, get down to the bare metal, treat the rust, and then come back, a little fiberglass, and then a little bit of touch-up Bondo on that. So it's getting close now. I just gotta take it to my place so I can primer it up real good, and then start working the body. And yeah, so and then after that, if it turns out good, throw some paint on it. Paint scheme, of course, like I said, we're going with the Baldwin Motion paint, the green with the white. Okay, on the hood, I think I decided I'm going to do it Corvette style, C3 Corvettes. Just let it flip up this way. I've already actually had the hood on there. Once I get the right hinges I need in probably a prop, which might be Corvette style, where we hopefully just have a latch inside where you'll cable pull, have a latch here, some mount it, release it, and it raise it up. And it's got enough clearance now. I moved some stuff around a little bit on the supports in the front. So it'll clear. So hopefully, yeah, that'll work all right for us. The wheels, they're not bad. We might keep the wheels. Tires might go a little bit more sidewall, I like anyways. So yeah, then the interior, that's gonna be the fun part. All this other stuff's easy. Should be it. Hopefully, like I say, I get to work on this body here and get it looking like something. It's not bad shape, just little spots here and there and redoing some things.